Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. First of all, I would like to say you guys please subscribe to our channel, and if you like our videos please support us and we will surely entertain you with further videos. Guys, today I am going to show you a very interesting platform through which you can get 7,000 plus paid courses for free along with free certificate. So it's a high time guys, just take the advantage. So this platform name is Pluralsight. I will provide you some tricks how you can access to all the courses for free. Just follow my tricks. So let's get started. By scrolling down, you can see that you have to pay rupees 1499 per month. That is monthly you need to pay this amount to access all the courses. I know guys, it's a huge amount, but don't get worried. You can directly access to all the courses without any payment. Just follow the whole video. In our description box, I have provided a website link on Visual Studio subscription. So after clicking on the link, the site will open like this. So it's a link of Microsoft through which you can access to Pluralsight. Just click on sign in to my subscription. Now you have to create a Microsoft account to log into this site. After this, you can see that the benefits included in my subscription. So it creates a huge rate of benefit. Not only Pluralsight, you can access to any kind of platform like Big Data Edition, Power Apps, Visual Studio Code by simply clicking on download, get code depending on the site privacy. So in Pluralsight, as basically I've already registered to this Pluralsight platform, so it is showing activate. But for those who are new to this account, for you guys, you can see that instead of activate you will get a get code, and by clicking on it you get a confirmation mail to your Gmail for activating the platform. So I click on activate and you can see that here the activate your benefit details is given, and you just need to have to fill up these whole details. On the left side you can see access to Pluralsight technology skills platform, thousands of expert lead courses covering the latest DevOps, machine learning, cloud security, infrastructure and more, including Visual Studio 2019, Skills IQ to identify knowledge and gaps and strengths and get you started learning the right skills, Role IQ to benchmark the skills you need to success at your job and show what to work on to get to the next level, learning paths to streamline and speed up skill development. So the benefit of getting free access to Pluralsight for 1 month is provided. Now I'm just fill upping my details. So in email you have to give your valid email ID from where you activate the Pluralsight. Just provide your first name and your last name. Company, you just give your college name. Title, right now I'm student, so I'm just giving student, and you have to provide your phone number and your country name. Now just click on the last button and I agree, activate benefit. So in Pluralsight platform, just click on paths. So that here you can get any kind of courses, whatever you want to learn, just like .NET base class library, .NET developer on Microsoft Azure, and each path, this is the path, and each path consists of 6 courses and the time duration is 18 hours. For 3 courses, time duration is 9 hours, and for 10 courses, time duration is 33 hours. So you can see that it's not a 1 or 2 hour courses. You can learn everything from basics to advanced, not like that. It's a huge time course, so be patient and take time and just enroll to each courses whatever you want to learn. And definitely this is the best beneficial platform for developing your knowledge from basics to advanced. Now I must tell you that don't misinterpret by thinking that the certificate you get after completing the course will be from Microsoft or Google Cloud, as the name is written over here. So not like that. You only get the certificate from Pluralsight, and the certificate contains a logo that is from Pluralsight, not from Microsoft or Google. Just keep this thing in your mind. And now I click on application security on Microsoft Azure to show you how to complete the whole courses. So in beginner, you can see that the video contains 2 hours 52 minutes, and by expanding the details, you can see that the description of the video and the table of the contents, means the part or each how many courses you can achieve from this video is given. In intermediate, it's a 2 hour 58 minute course, and advanced there are lots of videos. I think hardly it is 6 videos, and the time duration is much more, like 9 hour 25 minutes. So it's a huge time to learn each and every single course. Just I clicking on beginner. So here you can see that each course consists of sub videos, and the duration is just like 1 minute 10 seconds, 6 minutes 44 seconds, 5 minutes 32 seconds. So that you can complete each and individual courses for a short range of time, and you have to complete the whole videos to get a certificate. So guys, I must suggest you that for getting a certificate and enhance your learning skills, please do watch every videos. Don't do like just skip one video and go to the next video. You can't be able to gain any knowledge. Just like if you have a doubt in your mind, maybe it is cleared by one video which you have already skipped. So please don't do like this. Just take the advantage and the benefit of this platform, and this platform will surely give you a lot of knowledge, and you can definitely get a certificate after completing the entire course of this Pluralsight platform.